Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we're going to view connected device on our Android hotspot. Okay, first of all, we can go to our settings application on our Android phone and we're going to open the connection setting. Tap on this connection settings right here and we're going to open the mobile hotspot and that ring. And here we can select mobile hotspot. And as you can see that here I have activated my mobile hotspot. And here we can view the connected device on our Android hotspot. And as you can see that one device connected to my Android hotspot and we can tap on it to check the device. Okay, this is the connected device on my Android phone. And if you want to get the information, you can tap on the setting icon and you can tap on this icon. Okay. Alright guys, and that's how we're gonna view connected device on our Android hotspot. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.